Do you know what's crazy? We learn a ton of kind of useless stuff in school, like trigonometry and the exact date of Franz Ferdinand assassination in the capital of Turkey, which is not Istanbul. But we don't learn basic life skills like budgeting and how to clean your house. So, school is in session, my friends. Let's get learning. I'm busting 25 cleaning myths that are making your house dirtier, starting with the most common one, which is more cleaner equals more clean. You ever watch those TikTok videos where they put like an entire bottle of Fabuloso, a bunch of dishwashing tabs, and half their life savings into a bucket to clean their floor? Yeah, the truth is more cleaner actually makes your house dirtier because it leaves a residue on your floor, on your surfaces that makes the dirt stick to it. So the next time you go to clean, it's actually harder to remove the dirt and your stuff just looks dirtier. The second myth is that vinegar cleans everything. The truth is it's really acidic, so you don't want to use it on porous surfaces or things like stone countertops or rubber seals. It's best for stainless steel, glass, things that cannot be ruined. Plus, it makes everything smell like pickles. My grandmother used to say that bleach cleans everything. And not only did her house smell like a pool, but the truth is bleach doesn't get rid of dirt. It's great for disinfecting, but it doesn't eliminate grease and deep down goo. So you want to make sure that you're actually using soap and water to clean dirt. If you want to use a little bleach after, you can, but never mix it with anything else, friends. Another big fat cleaning lie is that you need really hot water to kill the germs when you're cleaning. The truth is, water has to be over 140 degrees to kill germs, and you have to let it sit for at least 5 minutes in that level of hot water or have it boiling, which means it's gonna like melt your skin off. Yeah, it'll kill germs, but it will also kill your skin cells. The truth is, disinfecting with hot water is a waste of your time. Instead, use a little bit of actual disinfectant like hydrogen peroxide, that's a big word, or some diluted bleach or other disinfectant, and just like save your hands and forget the hot water. I'm gonna throw my grandma under the bus again, but it's okay because she's passed on. Feather dusters don't actually remove dust. They just spread it around. You're not dusting when you're using a feather duster, but you can use something similar. A Swiffer duster actually traps the dust, or you can use like a damp microfiber cloth to dust. The feather duster though, big no-no. Sorry, grandma. Big fat lie number, whatever number we're at, air fresheners eliminate stink. They don't. They cover stink. Now your house just smells like a Christmas tree took a turd. This is a big fat no-no. You know what is something that eliminates stink? Baking soda, any type of like carbon filter, or believe it or not, Febreze. I put it down. Febreze is not an air freshener. It actually has chemicals in it that remove the particles in the air that cause things to stink, and you can get like the scent-free kind. So Febreze is a yes. Oh God, everything. Air fresheners a no. Is a no. Next cleaning myth is that disinfecting wipes actually work. I'm just gonna say it. Listen, I don't even have any to show you because they suck so bad, but a lot of people do love them. But the truth is, you have to keep the surface damp, so the wipe has to be wet enough to like sit on the surface with wetness for at least 5 minutes to actually kill the germs. That means you can only wipe like a 1 foot square area with one wipe to make it effective. But people clean in their whole house with one wipe. So what you're really doing is just spreading the germs around and not actually killing anything. So if you're using them because it's just an easy, quick way to clean, that's awesome. If you're using them because you think they're actually killing germs, they are not. Let's bring back the hot water for another myth, and that is like mopping with super hot water is the best way to mop your floors. If you have wood or laminate floors, it's actually a big no-no. It can dry out and damage your floors. You don't need to mop with really, really hot water. Hot water is great for washing dishes because it loosens like food and grease, but on your floor, cold water or just room temperature is actually best. I love this myth. Because nobody wants to scrub. And the lie is that more scrubbing equals more cleaning. But honestly, if you scrub crazy hard, you can dull the finish or remove the finish of your tub or your toilet or your countertops. So like more elbow grease is not always a good thing. Better thing is like soft abrasion, the sponge side, and using a soft detergent cleaner to help loosen and remove the dirt. Big fat lie number, whatever number we're at, magic erasers clean everything. I love a good magic eraser, but the truth is they will remove paint from your walls. They will actually like strip your surfaces. You have to be careful with a magic eraser. It is harsh on harsh on harsh, friends. Super great sometimes, but not so great for most surfaces. This myth makes me upset because I have heard so many people say this, and that is vacuuming every day will ruin your carpet. The truth is, carpet manufacturers say you're supposed to vacuum every day. My Roomba, I tell myself this is why I run it multiple times a day, is always going, because the truth is vacuuming more often will actually extend the life of your carpet. Plus, it eliminates a lot of dust on your surfaces because 80% of the dust that you have on top of things is actually coming from the floor. Okay, here are some bedroom and laundry myths, starting with this one's awesome sauce. Making your bed right away when you get out of bed is actually not a good thing. The myth is like, make your bed as soon as you get up. Apparently you're supposed to air your bed for at least 30 minutes because otherwise it can trap moisture in your sheets, which can lead to bacteria, and it's a breeding ground for dust mites or like bed mites or whatever. I don't know, it sounds gross, but I hear excuse that I don't have to make my bed every morning. Yeah. This cleaning myth you're not gonna like, but the truth is hot water is not necessary when washing your clothes, even your towels and sheets. I know! This is a myth that we have to wash our clothes in really, really hot water in order to get them clean, but the truth is modern day detergents are actually designed to work better in cold or like not hot water. There, I said what I said. I said what I said. Save yourself some money and just wash everything on cold. It'll be okay. This is also a myth my kids somehow thought. The dirtier your clothes, you need more detergent. Nope. You don't. When my kids are covered in mud and they're washing the clothes, they'll put in like 4 Tide Pods thinking somehow that equals more clean. It doesn't. You know what it equals? More residue on your clothing. You actually need a lot less detergent than you think when washing your laundry, and too much can make your clothes kind of sticky and dirtier. Another laundry myth is that you always need to use fabric softener, especially for towels. The truth is, fabric softener leaves a coating on your clothing that makes your towels less absorbent. Truth time. And I know we don't want crunchy clothes. A cup of vinegar works way better and it won't make it smell like pickles, I swear. So vinegar is a yes, fabric softener is a no because I'm coming with my firefighter hat on right now. Using a lot of fabric softener or using dryer sheets can actually create a film on your lint trap vent and it can cause a fire. So just say no. Just say no. I don't need it. Save your cash, save your house, save your clothes. Bathroom cleaning myths. The first one being that toilet bowl cleaner can clean all the surfaces. I have actually done this before and I've like used it to try to clean my grout. It is way too harsh. It has way too many chemicals. It can erode the finish on your tub, on your sinks, on your countertops. Plus it's crazy toxic. So it's just toilets, just toilets. Another bathroom myth is that if you shower every day, you don't need to actually clean your shower. Franz, you do have to clean your shower. Just standing in there and washing your body is not cleaning the walls, and you will notice some pretty pink stuff growing in the corners. That is mold and bacteria and stuff. So once a week, giving your shower a like good spray with a disinfectant or some type of cleaner is kind of important. You could do it while you're in the shower, but just showering doesn't count. Another myth is that bleach instantly kills mold. I'm here to say I think bleach is very effective for mold, but it only removes the front, like the first layer of mold. It is gonna keep coming back. A better mold killer is actually vinegar. Yeah, that pickle smelling is a wonder product apparently. So if you've got mold, you can do a little bleach if you want, but vinegar is a better option. And you crunchy granola people are gonna really hate this myth, but lemons don't actually disinfect. They don't actually kill germs. So a lot of people will clean things like their cutting boards with just a lemon, or surfaces that they think that they have like raw chicken juice and rubbing some lemon on there is gonna kill it. It's not. It's nice, but it's not actually killing anything. Sorry. This one is so interesting. I didn't know this one. I just learned this, that mixing vinegar and baking soda is actually an effective cleaner. So I use this to like unclog things quite often, but I've also done this thinking it's gonna be like amazing cleaning, and I saw it on TikTok. The truth is they actually neutralize them. Like one's an acid and one's a base. So when you mix them together, it just becomes water. You're taking like two good cleaners, mixing them together to make a no cleaner. The more you know and stuff. Don't mix those for cleaning. It doesn't work. Before I share my favorite cleaning myth, I have to thank today's video sponsor, HelloFresh. I've been using HelloFresh for a while and I love it because I'm kinda lazy, but also I'm busy. So I get to pick 3 meals a week that are delivered right to my door. And these are so delicious. I'm not a great cook, but HelloFresh makes it easy with step-by-step instructions, and everything's pre-portioned, so I don't have a lot of waste. I don't have to run to the grocery store, and I don't have to think about what's for dinner. I'm actually saving money because I'm getting less fast food, and everyone's happy with a nutritious home-cooked meal. You have to give this a try. Get up to 10 free meals and free shipping on your first box at HelloFresh.com with the code Clutterbug10FM. Free meals applied at discount on first box, new subscribers only, varies by plan. That's up to 10 HelloFresh meals and free shipping. Just go to HelloFresh.com with the code Clutterbug10FM. This is a myth I don't think anyone's actually doing, and if you are doing it, don't put it in the comments because everyone's gonna make fun of you. This kitchen myth is that you can clean your sponges in the microwave. So you like clean a bunch of goo and you're washing your dishes and it's full of grossness, and then you just put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. That will kill the bacteria, but it's not gonna get rid of the food particles or the grease or the grime. So like, don't do that. Plus it's weird. Don't be a weirdo. One more time, big fat sorry, Grandma, but wood polish is not the best way to clean wood furniture. In fact, stuff like Pledge and all of that stuff that smells like pine for some reason, it actually leaves an oily residue on your wood that builds up over time. It dulls the finishes and it makes like stuff and dust and everything stick, and it makes your furniture dirtier. There, I said it. And heaven forbid you accidentally overspray on your wood floors. Somebody's gonna slip and die. Ask me how I know. Ask me how I know. Can we let's just eliminate Pledge forever. Sorry, Pledge. You gotta die in a hole. I said what I said. Another kitchen cleaning myth is that you only need really hot water or like soap or lemon and salt to clean your cutting boards. Ooh, gross! Especially if they're wood, they are like absorbing all the salmonella, and no lemon or dish soap is enough to kill that bacteria. You want to use hydrogen peroxide. I do not know why that's hard for me. That will kill it. Vinegar. Vinegar is amazing, and it's super like food safe. It smells terrible, but it will kill a germ. Or a little bit of diluted bleach. You're gonna want to rinse it. Don't eat the bleach. But the point is, you need something to kill a wood cutting board. Kitchen lie number, whatever number we're at. Dishwashers clean themselves. I thought this. I mean, it's a dishwasher. But no, you have to clean them because they get full of food and mold and all around the like rimmy part, the seal, the filter. It is a horror show up in there. And it's just spreading that goo around when you're washing your dishes, so you're never actually getting clean dishes if you don't clean your dishwasher. The last cleaning myth is that weekly cleaning is enough. So waiting till Saturday to clean your house is enough. It's not great, friends. I'm just gonna say it. Little daily maintenance is the key. You wanna make sure you do your dishes every day and like wipe high traffic surfaces just once a day. Quick little wipety woo to keep away the germs, to keep away the grime, to make your house just easier to keep tidy all the time. So once a week, bad, little bit every day, good. See you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today, right? With Miss Cassie's cleaning class up in here. I think these are important things that we need to know because it's just gonna make cleaning our house easier. And it's stuff that we were never taught. We've probably been doing it wrong and it's costing us time and energy that we don't need to be spending. So, and money too. Friends, the more you know and stuff. Thanks so much. Subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys next time. I promise I'll be better next time. I'm gonna I don't know what's going on with me today, but I'll be better next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. Remember that time that I was like raving about my collapsible bucket and how amazing it was and everyone needed one? Hey, friends, hope you didn't buy one because spoiler alert, they collapse, okay? So it seems great, and I was using it, but then at inappropriate times, it would collapse and there would be soapy water everywhere. And like, what? No, it's a no. And also, I wanted to like show you supplies like a mop and a bucket as B-roll for this. I don't even own a mop or a bucket. I have a spray mop because I'm lazy. I also don't have like most of the cleaning supplies that I'm talking about because I declutter everything and I just use what works, right? I have like a little bit of nothing. I have a little bit of nothing when it comes to cleaning my house, but it's all you need. Anyways, I just wanted to tell you that the collapsible bucket collapses. I know it's in the name, but you don't want that. It's like, you just don't. And also apologizing for trying to teach you how to clean when I obviously am not so great at it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure in the comments you tell me a cleaning myth. Let's all teach each other. Let's be like schooling each other because our schools are doing a really bad job of teaching us life skills. So let's teach each other. If you got some cool, fun, facty thingy, put it in the comments below and I'll see you guys next time.